Okay, so here is the final look. Hello and welcome. This is Alethea with Sail Along Sewing. Welcome back to Vlogmas Cracking the Whip. We have another project that we're going to work on. The first one is the pants for Simplicity 9751 and Newlook 6453 Easy Knit Patterns. We're going to crack the whip on the top of Newlook and the pants for Simplicity. This is what you're looking at, the top and the nice fluid bell bottoms. For the bell bottoms, we have to do the elastic in the waist, the hem on the pants, and moving to the top, we have to do that hem, complete the other sleeve, and the trimming around the neck. And these garments will be completed. Yes, we will be done with these garments. Just those few things that we have to do, and we'll be done. So let's get cracking. This, by the way, is Vlogmas 12. We're moving right along. So I'm sewing view D, but I'm putting the little cap sleeves on like it's on C and A. So it's the top is D, but I'm adding the sleeves. So we're gonna start with the dress is pretty much finished as you saw before. Let's see, we're gonna start with the sleeves. We have one on. Let's check it. It's not completely on. It's basted. So we got to complete that and add the other sleeve to it. But we do have our hem in it, and it's a narrow hem at the lower edge, which I've already done here, and has to be attached to the garment. And as you know and saw, this is the second sleeve. It has to be stitched at the bottom and attached to the top. We're gonna do that. So this is Newlook 6453, and it's an easy knit pattern, and just for knits. To pick a knit rule, and here are your sizes on the back, suggested fabrics, and let's start cracking the whip for Newlook 6453, an easy just for knits top. Okay, so I have based around the neck area, which had came loose. The neck area is to be sewed 3/4 of an inch. I basted the other sleeve on the other side, and this sleeve seam is to be sewn 5/8 of an inch. And I've marked this little area here because I have to sew the sleeve together before I attach it to the top. And then you go around the narrow hem and stitch that. And after we do that, we do a narrow hem, and this top will be finished. So I have to turn the little tree around because it's getting really, really full on that particular side. And this is, and let's turn the star around. Yay. You don't seem like he want to act right. There you are. Okay. This is my favorite time of the video. This is Vlogmas Day 12 on the Advent calendar. Cracking the whip for Newlook 6453 and Simplicity 9751. Let's see what's inside this time. Oh, that is so gorgeous. It's just a simple button and it's sewn with the ribbon on top. That is cute. Look like it's vintage because how big it is. So we know what we got to do now. I just love this little calendar. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you as a family member. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I truly do. Please comment. Check out the community post for the sewing game. That's nice. I like that. Let's hang it on the tree. That is so cute. Our first ornament on this side. Thanks for joining me and wishing everybody a happy holiday season. Happy Vlogmas. And stay tuned. This is the 12th day of Vlogmas on the 12th day of Christmas. Yes, this is nice. I really enjoy doing the Vlogmas, especially the Advent calendar and adding the ornaments to the tree. I appreciate you all for hanging out with me. Thanks so much. Check out the community board, especially the sewing game. I enjoy putting that on the board. Give me some comments and feedback. I would love to hear from you. And if you have not watched the previous videos for Advent Vlogmas, do so, please. And consider subscribing and becoming a member of the fam. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching and being with me. See you on tomorrow, Vlogmas 13.